everybody out there on YouTube land. This GhostWolfArt with part 4 of how to clean your pop-up camper. Yeah, we're gonna clean on the inside. I'm gonna use the hot water and the bleach to clean the wood and try to get some pine salt to pine it up a little bit. Got some mean green. Now, if you ain't heard of mean green, you need to get that because it will clean the dickens out of everything. Disinfect anything and everything, takes away grease, all that stuff. You know, rust. It's good. It's a good product to have when you're doing a pop-up camper. So with that being said, let's get to the video. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. You know, it helps me. It lets me know that you're watching and you do appreciate that I am putting videos out. You know, all my links and everything is in the description below, to my Facebook, also to my Instagram and my Twitter account. So, you know, you can check me out over there or check out the new web page with videos that you don't see here. All right. Thanks for watching. Appreciate every single one of you. Now on with the video. Hey everybody, I'm back. Here's the mean green. That's the best stuff. It cleans and just grease and everything. It's a good product. So that's what you want to get. Right now, before I do anything, I've got to spray this. So the camera's got to be back a little bit. I might have to boost up the audio so you can hear me. But gotta wet it down before putting any of this on here. Okay, we got that wetted. Good. Now, I just took a regular bottle and poured the stuff in it, so I can have a squirt bottle, because I want to squirt this on. I want to squirt it on, and I want it to sit for a little bit. Let me see if I can make it spray. Well, don't want it like that. Nope, I can only get it like this right here. Well, y'all just sit back and watch while I do this, and I'll just put music to it, okay? Okay, there you got it. Outside's clean. The mean green is what I was using. Works great. You just spray it on, let it sit for a little bit. You see how long I did it, and I'm telling you, it's clean. That's what I like to see. So we got the outside taken care of. The only thing we hadn't taken care of is the top, and we're going to do that at a later date. But I got to get in here and start working on the inside. Okay, so I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hey everybody, I'm back. Man, that sun is bright, boy. Shoot, I had to put the camera way over in the corner. I'm inside. I had to roll this curtain down behind me. It's normally like that you see right here on this one. Okay. Oh man. But I had taken a break. Sorry, this is the way it goes. You know, I had to give me something cold to drink. Now, let's see who can guess what I'm drinking. Okay, what I'm drinking. If you guess right, I'll figure something to send to you. I'm drinking something cold. Okay, drinking something cold. In the comments below, tell me what I'm drinking. Okay, tell me what I'm drinking. Whew. Whew. And there was a little hint for you. I want to see who can get it. Now, to the people that are winners, I'll give you an address, or you just email me your address, which I will broadcast who are the winners. So remember, what am I drinking in that cup? Yeah. All right, well, we're in here. I'm going to start this, cleaning on the inside of the wood and stuff like that. Now, I changed my mind about the bleach in the water, okay? But I'm still going to use hot water. But this stuff right here, mean green, I'm telling you, it does good, really. And if this can't disinfect something, there's something wrong, you know? Mean green, it's the best, and that's what I believe I'm gonna do, because what it does, it'll take up all that dirt that's been piled and piled. Because to me, this place ain't really been cleaned. You know, I'm looking around. I know my camera probably ain't picking up good, but it needs a little TLC, you know, and that's what we have to do. That's the reason I'm making these videos, how to clean your pop-up camper, you know. Man, my head's killing me, my knees knocking, and I got all this work to do. Well, let me get off here, let me relax a little bit, and I'll get back to y'all with some cleaning. Shame on it, 101. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. You know, hey, give this video a thumbs up if you can. You know, it ain't gonna break your finger. I know it won't, but it'll show me that you appreciate me as much as I appreciate y'all. Thank you very much, and let's get off here and let's get to some cleaning. Hey everybody, I'm back. Now I'm starting to clean, and like I said, I am using the mean green. Okay, sorry about being in the picture. Ugh. But anyway, hope y'all can see that. That's what I'm having to clean. Nasty. I just nasty stuff. But we're going to get it clean. That's my cell phone going off. The woman that y'all seen in my videos before, one of her best friends passed away today, so she's taking it very hard. And yeah, it's kind of hard when you lose somebody that's close to you, you know, your friends or family member. And so I'm trying to keep her calm, but it's hard to do that when you lose somebody that's close to you, you know. Well, enough of that. I'm going to go and clean this stuff off and everything, and I'll be back with it. Okay, I'm back. You can see no more, I mean, super clean, you know, and that's the way I like it. Sterilized, clean, you know, everything. Alright, well, I've still got a lot more to do. I'll get back to y'all here in a minute. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm back, and I want y'all to see how nasty this toilet and shower combo is. I mean, I want y'all to see it before I do anything, and then I'll come back and show you the aftermath. Okay? I'm gonna cut it here, and I'll be back. Well, hey everybody, I'm back. Just got done with the AC unit. We have some, I have some mildew on the tarps, and I'll show y'all here in a little bit. I just, it's not wanting to come up, you know, or nothing. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. All I do know is that I can clean it where it's disinfected, you know, but as far as getting it off, because what it is where the rain and everything hits up against the canvas, okay? It's just a ring, you know, from where the rain, I guess the pine sap and all that stuff. You know, I'm able to get some of it, but not able to get it all clean like I've done the canvas on the outside. Well, let me jump off here and keep going at it. Just remember, if you're doing this, take your time. Don't get discouraged. If you get discouraged, the best thing I tell you to do is walk away. Okay? Now, if you don't have photograph memory, take them pictures. Make sure you take them pictures. Okay? That way, you know where everything goes. But if you get discouraged, you know, get aggravated at it because the heat, like I'm going through, just take and walk away from it. Okay? Take and walk away from it. It's not worth you getting upset and probably rip something or tear something, because the canvas on these things are very expensive. All right. Well, I'm gonna jump off here and get back at it. Thanks for watching, y'all.